Just noticed this bird sitting outside. A couple cars just went by. Or actually, I think it was a golf cart. And a car. Look, just sitting there. See if I can zoom in and have a nice little look at your face there. So cool. Kind of blurry, I think, but it's probably focusing on something else. Oh, there we go. Hello. Nice day out here, huh? Just chilling. It is absolutely perfect out right now. So, I feel ya. Not sure what kind of bird that is. Here goes another car, just sitting there. That's so cool. Hanging out. It says a lot about the people around here too. They're respectful of these nice birds. Let me see if I can get it to focus right on you. I'm zoomed in, so just the slightest movement is like, there we go. I'm trying to stay steady here. How cool. That's cool. Let me know if you know what kind of bird this is. I have no idea. The only thing I can think of is like a heron. I think that they had those up in New England. Stork? I don't know. I have no idea. Very cool. Hey there. What a chill bird, though. Alright, well, have a good day, bird. Glad you hung out and let me film you there. Oh, there we go. Are we out of here? Maybe you get a snack somewhere. Hopefully this is filming okay. I have a different camera, a newer one, that won't turn on. A Canon Vixia. So this is an older Vixia. Alright. And finding something there. I assume you're eating. Better not film too much of this. It might get you in trouble for picking in their garden. Oop. Still maintaining the focus, even though I'm going right through a little bush here. Alright. Well, maybe I'll see you again. Have a good one, bird.